Hello, my friends. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology IQ. Today, we are going to look at microscopy and cell structure part 2. So without wasting any time, let us go to our quiz and start straight away. True or false? Cell membranes let only some molecules pass through. It is true. What is an enzyme? A biological catalyst. For what purpose did you use methyl blue in the course of your practical activities? To stain animal cells. Where in a plant cell does photosynthesis take place? Chloroplast. True or false? Human chromosomes are found in the nucleus. It is true. List two differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Plant cells have a wall, and they also have a large vacuole, and also have chloroplast. State the precise location of the cell membrane in plant cells. Immediately inside the cell wall. True or false? Chloroplasts contain DNA. It is true. With what type of cell do you associate membrane-bound organelles? Eukaryotic. Give two functions of the cell membrane. It holds cell together. It is selectively permeable, and it displays antigens. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondrion. Why does the nucleus of a cell have many pores? To allow passage of materials. State one feature that would allow you to identify a eukaryotic cell. It has a nucleus and a membrane-bound organelles. What term is used to describe cells similar to bacterial cells? Prokaryotic. True or false? Animal cells do not have membranes. It is false. Are fungi prokaryotic or eukaryotic? They are eukaryotic. True or false? If the eyepiece lens of a microscope is marked 10 and the objective lens is marked 3, the total magnification is 13. It is false. Where in a cell would you expect to find phospholipids? Membrane. True or false? The microscope lenses closest to the stage are the eyepiece lenses. It is false. Why is a cover slip placed on the slide? To prevent drying out, to protect the lens, for easier view, and also to keep cells in place. State a function of the cell membrane. Selectively permeable. Is the cell of Amoeba prokaryotic or eukaryotic? It's eukaryotic. The release of energy is associated with what cellular organelle? Mitochondrion. Dear my friend, thank you very much for attending to Biology I Chew. Today, we have been looking at microscopy and cell structure part 2. So let us meet again in other series of Biology I Chew. My name is Joshua Mugabi. For now, bye-bye.